At the beginning, digital was about the internet, and I think for many years we thought it was only about web marketing and e-commerce. I would say with the connected consumer and the new startups and then the digital giant like Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, we realize it's all about business disruption. It's not only, how do you connect with customer, it's forcing companies to innovate very quickly. If you don't adapt to this new reality, if you don't change your business model, your distribution, your speed of innovation, then you are going to be disrupted. Our last visit to China was really surprising. It's crazy to see how strong, how fast, how smart they have become. They really moved from copying to really being now even more innovative than us. We look at Alibaba, at WeChat, how fast people are using mobile payments and even disrupting retail and offline retail, not only e-commerce. They are all definitely starting their digital transformation. They are accelerating the way they are doing, but it takes time. It takes 5 to 7 years to really transform your business. On the other hand, for small and medium enterprise, it's much worse. I think a lot of them have not really understood how important the disruption is going to be for them. They are not ready. They might not even have the internal expertise to adapt and to change. 5 years, it's crazy how startups have really exploded, how even big groups are now collaborating with startups and really innovating together. We have a lot of accelerator and incubators where suddenly a lot of startups are trained, helped, financed by big groups. For many companies, the first is the reason to be. Why are you selling those products? You really need to help your employee make sense of their jobs, because if they don't understand what they're fighting for, they might see at a micro level what they're doing, but they don't understand how disruptive they need to be in the future to help the company deploy itself. Everybody understands that we need to be more flexible, faster, basically agile. The only issue is, how do you explain concretely to your team what they need to stop doing, what they need to be doing differently? And if you don't train them, if you don't show them clearly what they need to change in the way they are doing their project management, for example, even if they get the idea, nobody will make it work anyway. Most people, if you take the time to give them proper training and give them best practice and you show them how to do it, a lot of people can be happy even to use those much faster way of testing and developing things together. You need to make sure that there is a real incentive, in terms of evaluation at the end of the year. Is there really a benefit to take risks, to test things, or are you just taking more effort, more pain, more risk for your job?